People have a natural tendency to acquire as many free stuff they can get, sometimes without realizing their usability and benefits. The same thing applies to people preparing for their PTE test. You get loads of free PTE materials on the internet. But could this be a trap? Have you ever thought about it? Or are you actually getting quality and reliable questions for your exam practice? Well, this is exactly what we are going to talk about in this video. A very warm welcome to the Edutrainex learning channel, and I am your host Anurag. Let me give you an example of one of my students who joined us to prepare for his PTE exam. He gave the PTE test twice before, but his writing score was just not crossing the 50 mark. Now, before going any forward, I want to tell you that this particular student has now passed his PTE test and his writing score was just above 70. So, a great improvement on his part. Now, when this student joined us newly, I asked him how he did his preparation earlier and what strategies, structures, and templates he had been using. And I was literally scratching my head, especially after looking at the freely available writing templates he had been using before. After closely examining the essay and the summarized written text templates that he has been using, I found that the templates themselves contain grammatical errors. Utterly shocking. Imagine going to a school exam with a broken pen. What I'm trying to say here is, when the template itself has errors in it, you are already losing points for grammar there. And if any of you don't know that the essay is scored on 7 different parameters, watch our PT Write Essay video where we have explained this in very detail. Now we look at each of these official PT scoring parameters and design templates that are firstly error-free and secondly fulfills the criteria that the PTE expects. Secondly, we further went ahead and examined the practice questions that was obtained by the student, again from the free PTE practice material resources on the internet. Another surprise was that those questions didn't look much like the official PTE questions, not even close. And the quality of the questions was also not up to the mark. I started thinking, who created these low quality PTE practice questions? And why are the students falling into this particular trap? Well, it's mainly about marketing. If companies advertise or SEO their pages on Google first page for the free practice materials, keywords, students search for that and land up on their websites. Out of that, some are genuine and some are not. But many a times, students don't have means to verify the authenticity of those materials or the ratings of those websites. Because it's free material, even if you try to contact them for any doubts, they would not even answer you properly and mostly ask you to purchase a paid subscription. So this is definitely a trap. Now before you go ahead and buy any subscriptions, please verify their ratings and reviews and their presence on the internet, especially on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and other social media platforms. Otherwise, you will just fall into the trap of buying PT materials which is not good enough. Also, with offering free resources, the websites may change their policies suddenly and ask you to pay to use their resources further. And many people panic and just go ahead and pay and buy the materials. Thirdly, the speaking and writing sections require deeper evaluations and deeper feedbacks if you really want to improve your mistakes. Now, many popular websites offer 1 or 2 credits for you to try it out. But what they lack here is the details that you need to improve. Normally, they would just provide you a scorecard, but not show you what mistakes you made and no tips at all how to improve them. The only advice you get is buy this package to get this offer, buy that package to get that offer, and so on. So this is again a trap. What you thought initially to be a free resource for PT is now costing you more than what you could have purchased from a trusted source in the beginning. In the end, just remember one thing, that if you need quality, you need to pay a little bit of price. You can't get everything for free. So if someone is offering you free PTE materials, beware. There would be hidden charges and could be a trap for you to fall in. When you pay for a package from a trusted PTE trainer like us, you not only get the top quality practice questions, but also deeper evaluations, assessments, live classes, and tutors being available for you 24/7 to help you. I hope you learned something new in this video, and I deeply hope you like this video. So subscribe to our channel now to get loads of information related to the PTE exam. See you in the next video.